We've driven along the beach to a beautiful little town called Robe on the South Australian coast. Definitely worth checking out. Robe is a stunning little town on the limestone coast, which is about 3.5 hours from Adelaide and 6 hours from Melbourne. You can drive all along the beaches in South Australia, which you would mostly want a four-wheel drive for. But in Robe, they have a beach called Long Beach that's really flat and compacted, where they've put traction mats on the entrances and exits, so you can pretty much get any sort of car down there without getting bogged.
They say the time can be a healer, but we can never go back. Now have we lost sense of reason? Have we forgotten what we had? 'Cause I've been missing every moment, even the days we left behind. And now my heart is done with hoping. It's time for us to draw the line. Yeah, I was good how I gave you all my patience. Didn't think that you were given to temptation. I was wrong and my heart can't take it, so I'm leaving you behind. I'm leaving you behind. I'm leaving you behind. You never did give me a reason why you had to fall back. Now I'm a soldier on the front line and I'm ready to attack. 'Cause I've been missing every moment, even the days we left behind. And now my heart is done with hoping. It's time for us to draw the line. Yeah, I was good how I give you all my patience. Didn't think that you were given to temptation. I was wrong and my heart can't take it, so I'm leaving you behind. I'm leaving, I'm leaving.
Robe was an absolute stunner and you should definitely put it on your list. Be sure to subscribe and tune in next time for more beach fun in Cape Jaffa, Kingston and the wineries. Cheers!